Oh, okay, that's blinding me. Good evening. Got a late one tonight at the unit, and this is the first time that you'll properly see this. We're going to call it E36 turd because it's not the cleanest thing in the world. I mean, to be honest, it's not the worst thing in the world. I mean, come on, not terrible. Okay, I had a water leak, but yeah, you know, it's straight. It does the job, but yeah, little bit of rust. Nothing to worry about. The main reason this is in here, and what I'm doing tonight, because it's got no brakes, no fucking anything, so I need to do all of that, is this car. This, unfortunately, has got a beautiful M52 engine. That does not. That has a 1.9 engine. So you can kind of see where that's going. Yeah, basically we're going to take the engine out of the green car, which is a real shame because this is quite literally an absolute mint car. It's a one owner car. The guy died, which is a shame. His name was Giuseppe, hence why we called the car Giuseppe. It's absolutely stunning. Like, I've never seen an E39 that is like this. No rust. And again, no rust. Like, yeah, it's a shame to pull it apart. I tried selling it. People didn't want to buy it. So, hey, Giuseppe's coming to pieces for this shit tip. Now this, I'm gonna have to put it on a tripod for this. Right, so this fucker then, this is a 1.9 318 IS with no bonnet pull. Yes. Not the best looking things. I would advise you to not use, oh this, I'm going to die before I even begin. I wouldn't use BMX bars yourself to hold the bonnet up. 1.9. It was supercharged. It was owned by a friend of mine, and it was supercharged. It was running a mini supercharger from memory. I just didn't enjoy it. So now here it is in my custodian. It does run, which is strange for an E36 in general. I mean, we will take it out of third gear. This would be where it doesn't start. Yeah. Oh my God. Got to fucking retrieve me bloody bars now. Stupid thing. But yeah, you can kind of see. Where did they go? Yeah, okay, they didn't go far. Yeah. It's going to be a fun project because this thing stinks. That thing doesn't. I also just think this thing just looks fucking cool. I mean, I'm going to put, these are brand new. They don't look it, but they are completely brand new. The same as, I think it has got brand new hardware on the front, but I need to put everything back in it because there's absolutely fuck all in the rear. But it looks cool as shit. It looks like a Super Tourer, let's face it, with the wing and stuff and everything. So I'm going to start at the rear. Oh, that bent the fender as well. Nice. Nice. I'm going to jack it up, see whether the jack goes through it, and start doing the rear brakes, because otherwise I'm going to get nowhere. Okay. Yeah. Nothing in there. It's just on coilovers. I might just slam it. She's a crusty boy. Right, well, I want to shoot myself in the actual fucking face, but it's all in there. There's nothing worse than working on something when it's all just been chucked in the car and you don't have a clue what is what. But I've sorted it out. Need to do the other side and then need a really good clear off, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm too tired. It's like, it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm still going. So now I need to go and, well, I need to put the wheel on and do this end. And then what I need to do is pull out all the carpets, everything, and see whether it's rusty in the boot floor. It's done. I need to do more stuff now, but it's coming up on 1:30. But everything is in there. What I need to do now is bleed all the bastard system, Oh great, the reservoir looks like it's been closed the whole time as well. Yeah, basically a whole lot of shit needs doing on this thing. Yeah, a bit stupid to do it on Monday night at 1 in the morning, or yeah. Again, I'd like to iterate. People had the chance to buy this car. Nobody wanted to buy this car. You lot suck. Every 39 bloke who was like, fuck off mate, it's got 0 rust, you lot had your chance, and now your chance is gone. I'm gonna do an illegal move. I can't be bothered, I can't get the windows to come down either. Right. Hello smelly car. Let's just see if we have a brake pedal. I know it hasn't been bled, but... Wow, it started up straight away as well. Yes, we have a spongy pedal, but we have brakes. It's interesting. Sounds horrible. I think it's trying to spit flames, which is quite funny. I don't know whether that's coming across on camera. It's a smoky boy. I'm gonna wake up, well, I might not wake up tomorrow at this point. Jesus. What? I'm gonna have to go outside. That's bad. Spazwagon. No, I did not expect this. What? We have literal working central locking on an E36. Are you kidding me? Does it actually work? No, it doesn't work anymore. Oh, well that lasted long, didn't it? I can't press the button. There's not really any button left. Oh, it worked. Oh my God, it actually works. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That's impressive. I flex on all the E36 people whose cars are broken. My key works, yours doesn't. I think what I'm actually going to do is just go and have a bit of a clean up, because I am, yeah, quite dirty and sweaty, and it is also the hottest day of, well, I wouldn't say